Shroomenberg here. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to create a linear search function in C++, which is very useful in C++ data structures. So as you see, I'm using CodeBlocks compiler, and here we go. In the first step we include the IOStream library as usual, and using namespace std as our compiler requires. So here I start to define my linear search function. Okay, in this example I define a linear search function with the int type. So I say int, I name it lsearch. So this linear search gets 3 arguments, including the array itself, the size of array, and the item or the element inside the array we're looking for. So at first in my method I define a variable named found and I assign it to 0. Why do I do this? I'll tell you later. Stay with me in this video. Okay, in the next step I create a for loop from 0 to end of the size of our array and moving forward. Okay, inside this loop I say if element I inside our array equals to the item we're looking for, what happens? Assign found to 1. Okay, why do I do this? When found is 0, it means found is false. When it's found, when the found is 1, it means the found is true, right? Alright, so we say if our item is found, so found is true. So we get out of the loop, and as a result we return our found. Linear search is very simple and useful inside arrays. So as example I use it inside my main function. So I say what? I define an array with the size of 10, including 10 elements. For example, number 1 to 10. These are our elements inside this array. And for a better example, in our output I define an infinite loop to enter multiple numbers for searching. Don't get confused. I just define this while loop, this infinite loop to enter multiple numbers to search for better output. Okay, I define a variable named x as the item we look for, and I say enter item to search. So I ask the user to enter x as the item they're looking for, and I do what? I say if, inside the if condition, the condition is either false or true. And as you see, our found here, which is returned inside the function, is either false or true. So if the item is found, false is returned, which is 0. It's returned inside our if. If it's true and found, it returns inside our if statement again. Okay, I type this code to understand better. I say if the result of else search having our array inside our main function with the size of 10, and we're looking for the X item. You see? Okay, we say if the output of this function is true, say item was found. Else, which means it's not found, say item was not found. Sorry, found, and yeah. Alright, so let's see if we have any errors inside the program. So we don't. I run the program. Okay, for example, I enter 1 to search the element 1. Item was found. As you see, 1 exists inside our array. For another example, I search 0. 0 was not found. Why? Because it doesn't exist inside our array. 10, item was found because it exists. 11, item was not found because it doesn't exist. Okay, so this is how we use linear search inside C++. The next search type, which is binary search, I'll explain that in another video. For now, like my video, correct me, or if you have any questions, comment below and subscribe my channels. Thank you and goodbye.